Hi, this is Roy Meyer with Meyer Appraisal, and another question I'm often asked is, who can perform repairs when the appraiser noted defective paint in a home built prior to 1978? Well, I put together a quick video for you to answer that very question. Okay, so there you have it. Now, if you have any other appraisal questions you'd like answered, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website at meyerappraisal.com, where I have a whole host of other videos to answer any questions you might have. And also remember that we specialize in non-lender appraisals for bankruptcy, divorce, tax appeals, estates, and more. So if you know anyone in need of a great appraiser, have them give us a call, and I promise we'll take great care of them. And finally, if you like what you saw here, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe as well as forward and share with your Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. So have a great day, and we'll see you again soon.